How to fix Roblox not launching. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check the server status. For that, open your preferred browser, then type in Roblox server status and search for it. Different website links will appear. Go ahead and click on the very first one, Roblox status, open it. With that, you will be able to find the Roblox status. All systems operational. That means there is no issue in the server of the Roblox. After you check this, you can head towards the solutions. Launch your settings app. Now over here you want to find different options. Go ahead and click on the option of apps. In this page you're gonna find all the apps that are installed in your device. Go ahead and find the app Roblox. Once you find it, click on it. Then click on the option of install. Once you install this app, again click on the option of install. Once you complete this process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, heading towards next solution, what you have to do is close this. Now at the bottom left corner you can find this search box. Over there type in command prompt. Once app appears, you have to click on the option of run as administrator. Now you have to type in the command prompt cd space /users/ and then type in the file name where your Roblox file is located. Once you type in that, press enter. Now type in another command prompt cd space appdata/local and press enter. Now type in the command prompt rmdir space /s space Roblox and then press enter. Lastly, you have to type in y and then press enter. With that, you will be good to go. Once you complete this, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If you still encounter the issue, you can use the website of Roblox. For that, launch your preferred browser and then type in roblox.com, log into your account. Now you can use the website version of Roblox. Well, these are the ways to fix Roblox not launching. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.